Today on The Money Show, we're going to dispel the top 4 myths of passive income and actually tell you what making money really is all about. People start throwing around the term passive income in conversations about affiliate or performance marketing, and now it's become more of a buzzword than a hard and fast truth. If you really want to get into affiliate marketing for a quick and easy buck, you should know the facts before you get started. That brings us to our first myth of passive income. Passive income earned through affiliate marketing doesn't require work. If someone is telling you affiliate marketing doesn't involve work, that person does not have your best interest in mind. Affiliate marketing can be incredibly lucrative. In fact, several ClickBank clients are full-time affiliate marketers. However, the process of making 6 figures as an affiliate marketer is not an easy one. First you have to build, then you gotta scale. Companies like ClickBank can help affiliate marketers automate and grow, but successful marketers come willing to put the work in. Moving on to myth number 2. You just need one good idea. Sure, the guy who came up with the Snuggie and struck it big in the direct response TV world back in 2008 got rich off of one great idea. But I'm sorry to say those odds are not in your favor. Most big breaks come after a lot of setbacks. In fact, one of the books that pioneered the passive income movement, The 4-Hour Workweek, it was rejected by publishers 25 times before it hit the New York Times bestseller list. A book about not working to make money that required work so it could make money? Sounds a bit ironic to me. Instead, to find success in performance marketing, you're going to have to try at least a few ideas. A lot of these ideas won't work. One of the best ways to deal with setbacks is to remember that failure is part of the process. Take opportunities that don't turn out how you expected as learning opportunities and pivot from them. Affiliate marketing is about growing and loving the process as much as you love the results. Next up on our passive income myth-busting tour is myth number 3. Passive income is permanent. Actually, this myth is a double wrong. We already know passive income is a myth, so believing it would be a permanent fixture in your financial future is straight up ridiculousness. If you put in the time and effort as an affiliate marketer and start to reap the benefits of your hard work, you should not expect what you're doing at the very moment to always provide revenue. Affiliate marketing is like surfing. Sometimes you ride the barrel and sometimes you get pitted. When you're up, you gotta know the wave won't last forever. Instead, always be learning. When you're doing well, notice what tactics are working, not necessarily what's selling or who's buying. I recommend investing in Volume, a primo analytics software for affiliates in all stages of performance marketing. When you know your numbers, you can make informed decisions based on data instead of making costly assumptions. We've arrived at myth number 4. Once you've got your means of passive income set, you can coast on autopilot and head to that beach, drink a martini, and wear a big hat. So many people buy into the idea that once their brilliant ideas set free onto the internet, the money will just start rolling in. But it doesn't actually work like that. When you do figure out a process that makes money, you'll always need to tend to it and make sure you're maintaining and optimizing. Set realistic expectations and plan for work. Maintaining, optimizing, and scaling your affiliate marketing empire is not done passively. If you want to see aggressive income, you'll have to stop believing the get-rich-quick fairy tales and realize that anything in life that is worth doing requires hard work, trial and error, and a little bit of self-made magic. Well, that's it for The Money Show this week. Hit that subscribe button and remember, like Sasquatch, passive income is just a man in a suit trying to get you money.